How to set up a scene for a Zigbee device in Azoula. We want to add a scene, all on. You can adjust the brightness and color of the lights in the zone. For example, in my house, set the brightness of all lights to 100%. Set the color temperature. When you are done, go back to the home page and click on Smart. Click the plus sign to add a scene. Name it all on. Click the plus sign to add devices. We have already set the brightness and color of the device, so just click Done. Continue to add other devices. Let's add all the fixtures. When we're done, click Save to save the scene. Let's add another scene. All off. Turn off all lights. Click on Smart. Add a scene. Name it all off. Add device. Click Save when done. Now we have two scenes. All off. All on. Let's add other scenes. Movie time, for example. In Zones, go to Living Room. Change the light color to blue. In Smarts, add a scene, Movie time. Add all the lights in Living Room to the scene. When you're done, click Save. We can also add a scene, Happy Time. We will make the lights different colors colorful. Click on Add Device. Select Lights. Click to enter the light. Adjust the brightness. Set the color, for example, blue. Let's go ahead and add other lights and set them to different colors. For example, red, green, yellow. When you're done, save it. Now we have 4 scenes. Happy Time. Movie time. All on. All off.
Movie time, happy time.